Hey guys and girls, hope you're well. This is Bob with RallySport Direct, and this is what's in the box. Today we are checking out FactionFab's new shifter stop mount for the 2015 and up WRX. All right, so we have the shifter stop itself. We have a nice set of screws to mount it, and we have this cool little FactionFab card saying thank you for your purchase. Go to FactionFab.com, check out all their stuff. So the shifter stop itself is made out of 6061 T6 aluminum. It is an awesome matte black finish. We have a cool FactionFab logo right on top of there. Not that you'll ever see it, it'll be underneath your shift boot. So what exactly is a shift stopper and why do you need it? Put it this way, Subaru made you an extra sloppy shift mount. You have all that play in it. It is super sloppy. You do not want that anymore. Installing FactionFab Shift Stop mount is an awesome way to reduce that sloppiness. It is a super quick and easy process, literally 2 bolts, putting the shift mount on there and putting the provided bolts into those factory holes, and that's really it. It's pretty incredible how much of a difference such a small little upgrade makes. It makes that first to second gear shift extra tight, takes all that slop away, it takes all the play away. It is seriously the best price to value upgrade you can make for your car. Pick up FactionFab's shift stop mount. You do not want a sloppy Joe in your hands while you're shifting. You do not want a sloppy Joe in your hands while you're shifting. That's all the time I have for you today. Thank you for checking out FactionFab. Thank you for checking out what's in the box. As always, I'm Bob. Have a great day.